Today we are going to check a pen drive which is a bit different from what is available in the market. Generally for a 16 GB pen drive in the market, which is about $10 to $12, in the Indian market for about 500 to 600 rupees. But whereas these pen drives are not fast enough, basically I'm trying to say is that they kill a lot of time, and we have today's product, which is a SanDisk Extreme. Extreme is basically for the speed, which have a speed approximately 5 times compared with the cheaper products or the cheaper pen drives. And this particular one is available for about 14 to 1500 rupees in India and for about $25 in Amazon.com. So let's see what it looks like. It's just the package is made bigger, but whereas there is nothing much other than the pen drive inside. There is not even the documentation, and this pen drive looks very nice, well made, and solid enough, if not very strong, but good quality, and which has a loop for the lanyard. And basically it has been given a slide switch, which is a spring loaded slide switch, and which locks on the both the sides. When it is out, when you want to insert into the USB, that it doesn't go back. It's basically spring loaded and locked, and when you slide in and out, it gives a nice click noise. Anyhow, it's also that you can notice it's the port color is blue, which is indicates it's 3.0, and of course it's compatible with the 2.0, and we are going to check that today on a USB 2.0. And I'm also comparing this with a 200 rupees, or rather a $5 pen drive, which is about 4 GB in capacity, by a brand called Trek. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm selecting a 1.2 GB iMovie file, and first trying with the Trek pen drive to see that how long it takes. What it is showing here is it takes approximately 6 minutes for a 1.2 GB file size. And the same thing we'll check with the SanDisk Extreme. The same file again placed in the SanDisk Extreme 16 GB. Look at this, it says just about a minute, which mean to say on an approximately 1 GB file it saves you 5 minutes of time, which is rather, for the price compared, the price is just the twice, but whereas the time it saves is almost 5 times. And the price of this drive is $24, but the other ones like 32 GB or 64 GB, which is $40 and $70 approximately, saves you even more time. The 16 GB is the lowest in price and as well as the capacity. Hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.